It's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're going to be doing another feather friend, an angry penguin, a personality issue, and he's carrying a little fishing rod. He didn't get the fish that he needed to have for his dinner, none, so he's starving. I'm just making that up. Well, using your creativity, you could look at this penguin and create your own style as well. So I would love to challenge you on that. Well, before going any further, you know what's going to happen to say. If you have your paper and pencil, we're ready to begin.
Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step.
Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.